Want to quiet your garage door? It's very easy. You know, if you open and close your door, whether it be automatic with a door opener or manual, squeaks. Very simple. Main point of your noise is your hinges, and your rollers, because I can't get over there. Rollers. There's a bunch of those too. What you do is you squirt a bunch of grease in there, and the hinge. These are roller and hinges. There are actually hinges on there as well, so there's 2 points. You have to lubricate the hinge and the actual roller. Do that on everything. We'll quiet it down. All you gotta do, get your little grease. I didn't do this one. There we go. Try to get it in there in the crevice. Crack. This is white lithium grease, by the way. You can buy special garage door grease. I personally think it's pointless. Just use white grease. And then do your rollers. See, these are a hinge. And you also have a roller. So do both. See, this is the sleeve that the roller goes in. You want it lubricated. And these are plastic wheels. Sometimes you have metal wheels. They'll actually have ball bearings in there. I usually just use a light oil on those. I have a door like that across the street. So just go like this, have fun with it. This stuff kind of smells. This was not a roller hinge, by the way. These loosen up too. There's a nut on top and you'll get a little play in your door. You can also go like this on the track very lightly. I sometimes do this just a little bit. Light coat doesn't hurt. Sometimes you get a little rubbage. I'll quiet it down. And what else we're going to do? We're going to lubricate that spring. I'll show you that. And after you're done, your door should be significantly quieter compared to everyone else's around here. I have used a variety, while we reach new heights, of products on these springs, but silicone spray also works well. You just put a light coat, let it dribble down. You see what this goes right in? All those little holes. This can's kind of worn out, but you don't need much. It's going to drip a little bit. Just don't hose it on there. Sorry about the shaky can. We are in a ladder. Sorry about the dim light. Some people complain about that. Or they say I'm intellectually dim. I have that comment somewhere. Yeah, it's going to drip. Just be careful. This stuff will stain your clothes. You know, just put a light bit. And this is basically doing, that's just kind of just distributing oil. Oh, don't squirt your wall. This stuff might stain too. Some silicone spray stain paint. What this does though, this gets between the springs. And that's where your noise is. So if you do all this, it might be slightly quieter. Grease I really wouldn't recommend for this. Do that. Let it soak in for a little bit. Let it drip off or wipe it dry if you want. And it'll help. Just a little squawk here and there. But overall, much quieter. That's dripping right now. Another thing you could do is grease that right there, that roller drum, with a little silicone spray. Spray it in all the little cracks. And lastly, check if all these bolts are tight, because if they are loose, your door will also continually creak. Even the tracks, all this stuff loosens up over time. And depending on how bad the install was, like this is a pretty bad install, they were all loose. So that's that. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do, or do nothing, and have a squeaky door.